Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Thursday, the 9th of July 2020, currently 4:21 p.m. Let's look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m. local, which was 21 minutes ago for me here in Vietnam. Not much to report in the last sort of 24, 36 hours, so I thought I'd better do a video because there's not much happening. It's all very quiet in trading land at the moment, as if you've been following me on Facebook, you would know. Now, you can pause the video and read these notes. It just gives you an idea of what I'm looking at or how I set up the charts and what the indicators are and what colours, lines, etc. are. I'll bring this up near the end of the video so you can have a good look. It's just a basic idea of where I'm at, so you can just pause and read that if you wish. So let's get on to the charts. So we'll go to the trading view, 12 hours. This is my watch list on the right. Everything highlighted in blue is the pairs I've currently got trades on. No highlight, no trade. And if it's in orange, it means I'm going to talk about it in this video. So we'll start off with the New Zealand CAD. I just have to find it in my notes. In a buy trade from back here, keeping in mind the buys are designated by the blue line. So the MACD was below the zero level. There's a green QMP filter dot there. Price has come back sort of close to the 50 EMA. It's eventually gone up nicely. I've closed half. Like I said, you can always just pause the video, read my notes. All I did this morning, I think it was this morning, yes, moved my stop up to this level here. That red dotted line's my stop, so I just moved up to 88445. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone has access to that spreadsheet. There's a link to it in the description of the video, so you're more than welcome to check out the 12-hour charts. I've been trading these since the 3rd of Feb, most of these pairs, added a few along the way, but it's a fair time on the 12 hours. I'm pretty aggressive on this time frame also. Now you notice I drew my trend lines in. There's possible, hasn't been confirmed yet, regular bearish divergence setting up. Remember bearish divergence, if you read those notes at the beginning, are designated by red lines. Green is bullish. So the green one was a hidden bullish divergence, which was confirmed. This one's regular bearish divergence, which has not been confirmed until I get a red QMP filter dot. So the grey vertical line is a warning signal. To me, it's just saying the MACD platinum here has got a red dot above the zero level, so I'm looking for sells. So I'm locking in a profit on my buy there. Right, New Zealand Swiss franc. This was a trade taken 24 hours ago. Not enough to justify a video. You can see the sell taken here wasn't a great setup. The MACD platinum wasn't a lot of the market's just going sideways at the moment. And it's just meandering along the entry line at the moment. So going nowhere fast, but I took a sell there. No stop in place. It's just a slow moving pair at the moment. USDCAD, this is what I just did in the last 20 odd minutes or so. There's a new sell signal in here. It's pretty hard to see, the QMP filter there. It's not a standalone trade, so I don't start a new sequence because the MACD platinum's below the zero level. But because I'm already in a couple of sequences, S1, S2, sequence 1, sequence 2. So I took a 4 sell on sequence 1, so I can take multiple trades on the same candle. So sequence 1 took a 4 trade, 4 sell trade. As you can see by my notes there, it's a bigger position size. Sequence 2 is a buy. I took a hedge sell. So initially took a buy, taking a hedge sell. So break even on sequence 2, break even not applicable, it's hedged. Break even on sequence 1 is at this level here. And overall break even, which is all trades, both sequences combined, is a different level. Hence, there's 2 yellow dashed lines. They're different break even levels. So that's just why there's 2 there. They're pretty close to each other. So basically, price has to come down through these yellow lines so I can close out all these trades, if that was the way I was thinking. So let's use USDCAD. And the other one, USD Japanese yen. I was in a buy here, went up nicely. I closed out half as soon as it went through the MACD platinum. Look, I closed out half, put a stop in place. And in the last 24 hours, price has come down, taken out my stop. So I've stopped out on that and took a massive profit of $1.93. It's been added to my total here. So I'm just in a one sell trade. I just leave the lines on the charts for you to show you where the trade was taken and where I stopped out. Just a bit of accountability. So I can delete those lines now. I've already updated the notes on the chart, so I've converted that buy from sequence 1 to this new sell sequence 1. So now all I'm in is this one sell trade, which is going nowhere fast. The MACD Platinum's getting closer to zero level, so I might be able to take some action on that soon. So that's it on the 12-hour charts. Not much to report. Like the daily charts, not much to report. The markets are going sideways, going nowhere fast. It's not much news at all. When you look at the Forex Factory, there's no high impact news events for today. There was none yesterday. Tomorrow there is Canadian employment numbers or unemployment numbers, depends if the glass is half full or half empty. So yeah, it's a pretty boring times at the moment, but as they say, it's summer holidays in the Northern Hemisphere, even though normally no one's really talking about it because I think the COVID virus has sort of taken over the news. But generally the big bankers, the big institutions, they send all their big gun traders on holidays, they're heading to the Hamptons, if that's such a thing, I don't know. But yeah, so it's all fairly quiet. So there's the rules again, all the setups. And like I always say, everyone's more than welcome to join my Facebook group, etc. You can join that or my Telegram channels, and I mainly talk about the daily charts on those, but I'm happy to discuss any trading setups, etc. with you. Also, if you do like these videos, hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And you know where to find me if you need to talk to me about anything. I'm happy to chat or help anyone with anything trading related. Doesn't have to be my stuff, can be anything. If you just want some advice or just want someone to bounce some ideas off, etc. Happy to help where I can. All right, guys, enjoy the day. I'm just about to head to the local bar and watch my football team. Hopefully get off to the weekend with a win. All right, cheers.